Good morning, people of YouTube. Welcome back to the fishing channel, or welcome to the fishing channel if it's your first time seeing one of my videos. But I'm gonna go kayaking today with my dad out here on the White River, Indianapolis, Indiana. It's like the Broderville area, but yeah, we were out here yesterday and we got on some good smallmouths. I caught a couple rock bass, so I don't know if I'll include that footage in this video or if that'll be its own separate thing, but let's see what we can catch this morning. It's not even 6 o'clock yet, so sun's gonna come up soon. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. All right, really can't see a whole lot of anything, but I can kind of show you what I got rigged up. I got the Nikko Baits Hellgramite on a 1/15 ounce mushroom jig head, and then I have this whopper plopper, like a small mini whopper plopper tied on. I see some stuff busting out here, so I'm gonna try to do some top water, see what happens. All right, we're waiting on my older brother, see if he can get here on time. Well, he's already about 10 minutes late, but we shall fish in the meantime. Oh, I had a rock bass on. You guys are slacking. No, not you. I'm talking about them. Check that out, you guys. Little fat chode fish. That is so cool. I love those little rock bass. Fish. Rock bass. I'm on 2. They're slacking. They're slacking, I'm catching. Pow pow. Shout out to Pig Patrol. Oh. I'm on 3. It's 3 rock bass. I'm on 3. Let's get a picture of this guy. All right, dude. Thanks for biting. Those things are so fun to catch. There's a fish. What we got? Rock bass. All right, little guy. No way. No way. Whopper plopper. I caught a turtle on the whopper plopper. A turtle. Oh my gosh. Dude, what are you doing? Oh, he came off. Yes. What? That's funny. Check this catfish out, you guys. Huge channel cat on the Hellgramite. Nikko Baits Hellgramite.
That is crazy.
That is nuts. Get a weight on it. Zeroed out.
What do you need, 10 pounds? Yeah, it's 10
10.2,
pounds.
10.58, 10.69.
10 pounds.
10.69.
Let me take a picture like that.
Dude, that's a tank. Not with me. Here. That's his fish.
Oh, damn, bro, look. Crayfish everywhere. Fresh crawdads. That's crazy.
Here, Dad.
Here, let me get the weight.
Hold it by the handle. Dude.
It's actually rocks.
On the Hellgramite. I didn't know if you got it on the bobber pole or what.
Look.
Look at that thing, man. Uh-oh. Hopefully he's strong enough to make it past the rapids. I got bites instantly, bro.
That's a good idea.
I'm hauling ass, dude. I'm hauling ass, cuz.
Look at this 180 back turn, dude.
I can.
Like a car.
You see that? You see my tip? Rock, rock. Rock, rock. Fish. No. I'm about to break off, dude.
I'm about to break off.
How are you chilling? Full send. Full send. Full send. Oh. Big ass rock. Big ass rock. Big ass rock. Big ass rock. Big ass rock, dude. Big ass rock. Go get it. Go get it, dude. Damn! Jake's backwards. What? My brother's having a hard time. There you go, full send. Oh, fish. Oh. Largemouth. Is it a largemouth? Oh, good smallmouth. Nice smallmouth, dude. Heck yeah. There it is, you guys. Little river smallmouth. White river smallmouth. Heck yeah! I was fishing the bank. Got a fish on you guys.
I got a fish, bro. Oh my god.
Broke you straight. Oh, that's a tank, bud. That's a good fish. I got a good fish, bud. Please get in there. Oh. Oh. Dad? Biggin! Dude! That's personal best smallmouth. Oh my gosh. Because you got that real thin line on there. Oh my gosh.
I can break that shit with my hand, dude. That shit's thin, man.
Oh, Dad! Look at that fish. Oh my god. Where's my scale, man? Zeroed out.
I should have brought my other pole. That's a nice fish.
2.88 pounds.
Nice.
Shout out to Nikko Baits.
Yeah, I mean, look. This stuff's just junk. Well, take the drag a little bit better.
Making a release video.
I mean, he just bit it and took off and it popped. But you see, I just popped this with my fingers, man. It's so thin. It's not strong enough to hold anything.
Oh,
you got one with the strong line on it I can use?
God, dude.
Or using them both?
I'm about to lose my mind. Dude, are you kidding me? Little tiny fat guy. Oh, that thing's a tank. Let it go. Look at that little cannonball. Look at that thing's belly. Very cool. There's a bald eagle. Dude, that's a nice smallmouth bass, bro.
Heck yeah, dude.
You got him?
Yeah.
All right, you guys, it is heating up. I am dripping sweat. My brother's ready to go. He doesn't do too much kayaking, so he's tired already. I got on some good smallmouths. I caught a pretty nice one, like 2.5 pounds. I caught a couple other small ones. I caught quite a few rock bass when we first got here. Shout out to Nikko Baits. All the fish I caught today was on the Hellgramite. They also have new soft plastic craws out that are awesome. I didn't bring any with me. I don't know how, but shout out to Nikko Baits. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my fishing content. And thanks for watching.